Accessorizing your car is one of the most fun parts of owning a vehicle. You can shop for accessories that make your drive more comfortable, more convenient, and more personalized to you. In this video, we will feature some of the best car accessories available on Amazon. JetComfy Best Travel Pillow. It's the evolution of travel pillow, real support for your head and neck with 16 built-in high-tech features. We studied every so-called comfort pillow on the market, and what they're all missing is the ability to actually support your head. Our aim was to mimic a natural resting pose while taking weight off your spine and neck. We also packed the comfort of your own bedroom into something the size of your hand. It fits easily into your purse and carry-on. Jackery Giant Plus 2 USB Portable. Ultra-high capacity portable charger and iPhone battery with dual USB port with 12,000 mAh rechargeable battery power capacity. Super fast charge output 5 volt, 3 amp, though dual USB ports 5 volt, 2.1 amps, and 5 volt 1 amp allow for simultaneous charging of your iPad, iPhone, Android, and more at high speed. This power pack and external battery charger add 500 to 600% extra battery life. The world's largest capacity external battery pack and portable charger fits easily into any bag or pocket. Compact, portable, and stylish design. Easily fits into your bag to provide instant power, perfect for long flights, road trips, or whenever you need to charge your mobile devices. Often used as a substitute for a car charger, such as an iPhone car charger, dual USB car charger, and iPad car charger. External battery package includes Jackery Giant Plus external battery, premium micro USB to USB 2.0 cable. Goluk T3 Smart Dashcam. Get an extra set of eyes on the road when you have the Goluk T3 Smart Dashcam. This car camera has a large aperture of 2.0 and is complete with non-spherical HD lens. This gives you crystal clear images with impeccable detail no matter the time of day. The WDR imaging software ensures you always see the best image. In addition to this technology, the Goluk T3 also has advanced number plate recognition. Installing in just minutes, the Goluk T3 has a 360-degree rotatable structure. You can record from any side of your vehicle. Connecting to your iOS or Android device, you can also instantly control the camera and video settings. Finally, the Goluk T3 uses a 32GB SD card for onboard storage, but you can also immediately share on social media. AGA A40 Powerful Car Jump Starter. Keep a useful device with you on the road, the AGA A40 Powerful Car Jump Starter. Not only is it a jump starter that will get your vehicle going, but it's also a portable power bank. Conveniently charge your gadgets using either of the 2 USB ports. However, it also has a built-in wireless charging pad to give your smartphone a cord-free boost. Delivering 10 watts of power, it lets you power up your gadgets anytime, anywhere. Beyond the convenience of its charging abilities, it also has a portable and lightweight design. This means it's easy to take with you on the go, and you won't have to search for a place to keep it in your car. Impressively, this gadget works in temperatures as low as -20°C and as high as 50°C. With a weather-resistant design, it also has a smart LCD display and an LED flashlight. Lion Mini Battery and Solar-Powered Car Freezer. Enjoy your next road trip more when you have the Lion Mini Battery and Solar-Powered Car Freezer. Operating anywhere from -4°F to 43°F, it keeps your drinks and snacks frozen and chilled while you're on the go. Using ice-free technology, it fits conveniently in your car and stays right by your side as you drive. Moreover, it charges via solar, DC, and AC for convenience. With a built-in 193 WH power bank, it lets you charge your devices while you're out and about as well. When fully charged, it operates for up to 15 hours, which is ideal for a long day of driving. So you can avoid unnecessary stops for a cold drink to perk you up. Finally, its large volume of up to 28 liters holds all of your essential drinks and foods. Goal Zero Boulder 100 Briefcase Solar Charging Kit. Maintain the battery health of your snowmobile, motorcycle, and car with the Goal Zero Boulder 100 Briefcase Solar Charging Kit. It features two 50-watt panels chained together and connected by a hinge for all the power and convenience you need. Moreover, designed with strong tempered glass and an aluminum frame, it's built to last. This Goal Zero charging kit comes with a pre-installed 10-amp charge controller and an integrated 8mm connector. It also includes a spade to SAE cable and SAE to alligator clips, plus SAE to ring terminal options for connecting to 12-volt batteries. So you don't need to purchase any additional attachments or accessories. Most impressively, it uses the sun's energy to power this gadget for a sustainable alternative. AluCable Flat Lightning Cable. AluCable is the premium and fashionable 4-foot/1.2 meter cable with lightning connector for iPhones, iPads, and iPods. Featuring slim connectors encased in aluminum, AluCable is a must-have for design-conscious users demanding the best cable for their device. It's also a perfect companion to Just Mobile Gum power packs and highway car chargers. Since it comes in various colors, you can use these cables to make your everyday accessory look more vibrant and user-friendly at the same time. You can easily carry them in your bag or pocket and make use of them whenever necessary. It's an ideal must-have for those who use a lot of mobile accessories, such as power banks in their everyday lives. Charging your iDevice just got more fashionable. Waylens camera system for drivers. The Waylens Horizon is an automotive camera system beautifully designed to amplify your fun behind the wheel like never before. The Waylens Horizon allows drivers to easily capture, edit, and share interesting moments in real time, right from the road with their innovative camera, OBD2 transmitter, remote, and mobile app. The Horizon camera is a finely crafted and worthy companion for your drive. With a full aluminum body and 7-element lens assembly combined with a gorgeous circular OLED retina display, it breaks the rules of traditional boxy action cameras to enhance any car's interior. Capture high-quality and high-speed video at 1080p/60 frames per second with ease. Solar-heated roof rack road shower. This gorgeous set of solar-heated roof rack road shower can actually help you take a hot bath anywhere on the road. Sound exciting? Of course it is, and moreover, because it uses solar energy to heat the 5 gallons of water it can store. All that you need to do is attach it on your car rack after filling it with water and leave it for the sunlight to do the rest. The water gets heated on the way, thus letting you enjoy a hot shower anytime during chilly outdoor excursions. Mobile chargers and smart devices were quite common till date, but with this awesome accessory, showers have gone mobile too. iVAPO iPad Headrest Mount. Let your backseat ride in the car be one full of entertainment by installing the iVAPO New Edition iPad Headrest Mount. This mount comes with a universal rest for your tablets, 9-inch to 11-inch, and phones, 4-inch to 5-inch, which makes watching entertainment videos in the car super easy and convenient. It is made compatible with all 2-post style headrests with a special spring-loaded arm for easy in and out access of your tablet.